Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology. Students, today we shall discuss about minor and cofactors of a matrix. So let us write any matrix of order, you can say 3 by 3. Please write capital A is equal to, write in first row write A1, B1, C1. In second row write A2, B2, C2. In third row write A3, B3 and C3. So this is the matrix of order 3 by 3. Now take its corresponding determinant. Then write corresponding determinant of A. Then the sign of the symbol of matrix will be changed into the symbol of determinant, and this will be giving you in first row A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, second row, and A3, B3, C3. This is the corresponding determinant. Now let us try to understand that what is the minor of this matrix and what is the cofactor of this matrix. Means to find the minor or to find the cofactor, firstly you have to write the corresponding determinant. Okay, because we can find the minors and cofactors of the corresponding determinant, and that corresponding determinant, that minor and cofactors of the corresponding determinant is supposed to be the minors and cofactors of the matrix. So if I say you that you write, you find M11, capital M11, capital M11 means what? Minor of first row and first column, means you are finding minor of A1, a small A1. M11 means M and suffix 11 means first one is representing row and second one is representing column. So as usual, you know, if you will be taking A1 in determinant, then the first row and first column will be first row and first column will be omitted. So this will be giving you what? B2, C2, B3, C3. This is the means minor means a smaller part of determinant in nutshell, having no charge. If a kid is minor, he is 3 years 4, he is 2 years 4, he is also a human being, but he or she is minor. So minor is the smaller part of a determinant that bears no charge. So your first minor is what? B2, C2 and B3, C3. This is a determinant. If you write again M12, then M12 means minor of first row and second column. First row and second column means you are finding minor of B1. So first row and second column will be omitted here, and you will be finding A2, B2, A3 and C3. This is the determinant. This is the determinant. And M13, this is the minor. And M13 means what? Minor of first row and third column. M13, 1 means first row and 3 means the next. First 1 is representing first, means first suffix is representing row and second suffix representing column. So here if you are writing 1, 3 means you are talking about first row and third column. So first row means A1, B1, C1 and third column means C1, C2, C3. So you will be omitting first row and second column. So what will be you will be finding? You will be finding A2, B2, A3, B3. This is the third minor. In this way, students, you can find, since this matrix is containing 9 elements and the corresponding determinant is also containing 9 elements, so you will have 9 minors. You will have 9 minors. You have seen here that in first row there are 3 elements, so we have 3 minors. So consequently, if you will be finding minors of second row elements, then you will be finding again 3 minors. And in case of third row, if you are finding minors, again you will be finding 3 minors. So overall you will have 9 minors. So I hope you have understand that what is minor. Minor is the smaller part of a determinant that bears no charge. And if you are taking the smaller part of the determinant, but you are putting charges also, then that is called cofactor. So what is the fundamental difference between minor and cofactor? What is the fundamental difference between a minor and a cofactor? Your answer is that a minor is the smaller part of a determinant, as well as a cofactor is also a smaller part of a determinant. But the basic difference is that a minor of determinant doesn't contain any charge over it, whereas cofactor contains what? Charge over it. So as you write plus, minus, plus, I have already taught you that how to fix charges on the all 9 elements of this. If you are putting charges before the minors, then that is called cofactor, and that is generally denoted by, if your matrix is A, capital A, then this is symbolized as A11. A11 means cofactors of first row and first column. A12 means cofactor of first row and second column. A13 cofactor of first row and third column. In this way, you will have 9 cofactors also. So students, I hope you are well acquainted to the concept what I am telling you. And this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, I suggest you that write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query over that. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture. Thanks.